Umwe wa maundu maria muthamaki wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta akoretwo agikirira muno makiria ni gutigirira bururi wa Kenya ni wahota kugia na uhoti wa uthondeki wa ngaari guku bururi-ini na niguo kuhuthia ngarama iria a Kenya makoragwo magitungana nayo. Ni muoroto-ini wa gukinyira kioneki giki riu kambuni ya wendia wa ngaari ya TVETA Kenya unyitaniiri na ruhonge rwa guthomithia kothi cia moko niruo TVETA mambikite mutaratara uria urahe ayuthi mathomo megii na uturi wa ngaari.
But key thing was for them also to be able to be officially trained on how to repair these vehicles based on the manufacturer's recommendation, and also how to do things like defect report writing, which is very key for us to be able to explain to customers what has been done.
Kothi cia moko ni hamwe na cia guthorima na kurunga mathina megii na injini cia ngaari, hamwe na kothi iria ikumahotithia kuingira macindano-ini na kambuni ingĩ nene na iria ikoretwo itongoretie thiinii wa technology no.
The authority is already developing various standards. One of them is called prior learning assessment and recognition, whereby trainees who have undergone even the Juakali type of training will be able to advance to higher levels of training. Muikariri giti wa kambuni ya TVETA Kenya Dennis Awori augite ni gukoretwo no nyihu wa andu aria mena maugi ma uthondeki wa ngaari guku bururi-ini gukiringithanio na ithabu inene ria ngaari iria iri barabara-ini na iria iregererio gukorwo iri makiria ma milioni 3.
We've seen the hybrid vehicles come in and soon we're going to start seeing the electric vehicles come in, all calling for different skill sets. What we are doing, we are hoping and we are expecting that other companies will join us. Awori arekereirio horo uyu hindi igongona ria gutugana ngoga makiria ma arutwo 15 aria marikitie mathomo mao ma miaka 3 na kuria namba ingi ya arutwo irigirirwo gukorwo ikiamukirwo miari mitare yukite mwaka-ini uyu.